Hello everyone, this is Mehek from Crafty Minds. Today we are going to work on Pokeball. So let's get started. I have drew this Pokeball on a piece of paper and used acrylic paints in it, and then I cut this out. In this I have used markers. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a Pokeball, and then I'm going to use watercolor in it. So let's see what all art materials do we need for this art project. We are going to use a plain piece of paper. I'm going to draw with black marker. You can use pencil too. We are going to use watercolors. And we need a cup of water. I'm using mason jar for that. We need a piece of cloth to wipe our brushes. And I'm using two different sizes of paintbrush. One is flat brush and the other one is round one. So let's see how to draw a Pokeball. We are going to make a big circle first. Okay, now just to fix that, we are going to make another line. It's a circle. Again, one more circle close to your this one. So like this, all the way here. Now if you are using pencil, you can draw your circle using pencil, and then later on you can use marker to outline it and then fill it up. And if you think it's easy for you to turn the sheet and then color in it or fill your this part, you can just flip it and do it. It's your wish how you want to do it. And if you are using pencil colors or crayons, oil pastels, you can use the black color and then fill in it. If you are using pencil color, you can take the black pencil color and fill this with it. I'm almost done. Okay, so we are done with our big circle. Now in center we are going to make another circle. Like this. And then we are going to make another circle close to this line. And then fill in it. Okay, done with this. Now we are going to make another circle in here like this. So one big circle, then another circle, and one more circle. Now we are going to make a sleeping line like this, straight, Now from here too, you can just imagine that this line is going through this circle and going all the way over here. Oops, like this. Anyways, we're going to color that black in there. So like this. Okay? Don't draw that line, just imagine. So like this, and then going to make another from here. Okay, and we are going to color this black. So that's what we're going to leave this here. That's our Pokeball, and we're going to color in it now. So for that, we're going to start with a lighter shade, that's white. We're going to take white color and fill all the way down. Yeah, like this. Now I'm going to take my round brush and I'm going to fill in here a tiny one, circle in there white, and then out here we're going to do another white here, and we can like this. Okay, now we are going to just wash your brush, use a flat brush and color up here white. Before that, we are going to make a round like this. We're going to leave this for reflection, that's a reflection, and make sure don't color inside your oval over there now. So color around it and make sure your strokes when you color, they should be like a curve, like this circle. See? Even if you are using marker, pencil color or crayons, whatever you are using, just make sure go in one direction like this. So we are almost done with this. Okay, now we are going to take black color and color this part. Here we go. Now we are done with our black, red. Now we have to add shadows on the side. So for that shadow we are going to use gray color. Just going to mark like this, going all the way down. It's a slanting line going in a curve like this. See? And then you can just fill this up. Like that. And then same, gonna take the gray color and make a little curve like this over here, and then fill this part with that gray color. See? Now I'm gonna take this round brush and add little white color on this round over here. That's our light and reflection over here. We can add a little bit white here, like this. Here we go. We are done with our Pokeball. Hope you enjoyed working on Pokeball today. Subscribe our channel to know what's inside this Pokeball and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.